brum, brum, brum.
Hey, Zombie Steve. Ugh, what are you dressed like that for?
Oh, glad you asked, Foxy, because today we're reviewing a Thomas & Tank Engine set that has to do with racing!
Oh, cool.
And just check this out. Oh, cool. Ooh, Thomas and Friends minis with the Motorized Raceway circuit course. Oh, man, look at all this super cool stuff. Trains go up, trains go in the loop-de-loop. Oh, yeah, and they also go down this thing right here. Oh, this thing is so fun.
Oh, wow, that looks like lots of fun. When are you gonna put that together?
Oh, me already did.
Oh my gosh! How did I miss that before? That's so awesome!
Yep, me know, it's so fun. This playset is so cool. Look how tall it is. Oh, man, it's like a Tower of Thomas. That's so cool. And up top, we have old Cranky. Needy. And he has nothing to be cranky about now, because this set is super cool. And the best part is that this playset comes with 2 trains. We get Thomas and I think that's James. Oh, cool. So come out of here. We need to play with you. Ooh, and just look how cool these trains are. Oh, they got fire all over them because they're racing on this super cool raceway. So let's go. Boom. All right, so now we're gonna put Thomas in the raceway because this is the starting line, as you can see right there. And look at Thomas just waiting for the race to start. Boom. Time to turn the switch on. Oh, and there he goes. Bye, Thomas. Oh, man. Up and up he goes up the tower. What's at the top? Nobody knows, but Cranky. Cool. All right, here he comes, and whoosh. Down the slide he goes. Whoa. That is so cool. He went down this little line here. Oh, that's awesome. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. And of course, now he's back at the finish line to start all over again. Oh, that's so much fun. Oh, and wait a minute. There's a little lever here so you can direct which way you want the trains to go. Ooh, cool. Oh, that's awesome. All right, let's turn this to the right here and then put old James on the track. It's his turn. And there he goes. Do, 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 do. Hey, James, welcome to the top. And oh, and oh man, this is the loop-de-loop. Oh, whoa, James did the loop-de-loop. James is a loop-de-loop master. And there he is, going up all over again. And whoa, cool. This train set's so awesome, but Thomas is getting jealous. All right, Thomas, time for you to go on. But I think we'll send you down the other track, which is on the left here. Ooh. And this contains a really steep zip line. All right, Thomas, ready or not, here you go. Oh, here he comes, and whoa, did you see that? Oh, that's so cool. It happened so fast. Thomas just raced down that zip line. Oh, yes, and he's about to do it all over again. Oh, Thomas, you're so lucky. Boy, there's all kinds of things for these trains to do. Oh, I love it. Oh, so cool.
Well, that's a really cool train set, Zombie Steve.
Oh, me no. Now we can race.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, let's race. All right, kids. Well, there it is. The super cool Thomas Mini's Motorized Raceway. Ooh, if we play toys, you subscribe. We play. Play. Subscribe.